Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? So what up? What up? Manners and respect, man. From the seat started, so you know it's just another little kitchen. Just a little kitchen talk, another little kitchen checking in. Cause you know, I realized that these little kitchen pep talks, people like them. The people like them. From the feedback in the comment section, I realized that you all like them. So I'm back once more with a little kitchen pep talk. I only know me as usual, you know. I don't really like make a list and something. I just talk right off of my head. Because you know our thing is a real thing, is a real kitchen. So we have to find something to chat about, not a kitchen. What do you think about that? Comment below. Yeah, we don't need to make a list to chat about nothing in the kitchen. Our kitchen is how we run things. So what have you all been up to? What are you doing? What do I do? On a Thanksgiving dinner table, you make a list of the things that you need. Have you made that? Your Christmas dinner table, make a list of all the things, because that makes sense to do in a family. It does make sense, because you don't want, when you start cooking, you realize this is not here, that is not here, and you have to run gone to the store. So what hope say when you start for the ball, I Jamaican thing and say the ball are rolling. And if you all know anything about that, comment. All you Jamaicans, all of my Caribbean people, I make my pass big up my Caribbean brothers and sisters them. Trini Passy, large up, me just say that, Debbie Deb said that, Debbie Down a Yard said that, Bajan, Montserrat, St. Martin, you name it. My American peeps, my Canadian peeps, my English peeps, under the all over, you're all over. Big up on yourself, eh? So, as I was saying, make sure that you start the ball are rolling early. There are enough videos on the channel. I am seeing where some people are asking for some dishes. But those, some 99% of those dishes, people are asking for the black cake video. They're asking for rice and peas video. They're asking for pineapple upside down. They're asking for sorrel. All those videos are on the channel. To make it easier for you, whatever it is that you're looking for, just type in West Indian Delight. If you're looking for roast breadfruit, West Indian Delight roast breadfruit. Bam! All of them roast breadfruits in thing they come up. West Indian Delights cornmeal porridge, just type it in. That's how you get it. If you don't want to go on the search, like the YouTube search, this is an easy way. I'm telling you, just type in the search West Indian Delights, whatever you're looking for. If it don't come up, that simply means we don't do it yet. And the only two things I know that are so in demand at this time of the year now that I haven't done as yet is the ham and the oxtails. Those are the only two demanding things at this time of the year. What I'm gonna do it, and you know, can bet on a sweet life. May I come with them? Don't worry about it. Don't worry. I am coming. The oxtail is gonna be the first one off the bat because it has been so highly requested. But let me tell you something. This is Jamaica, y'all, in our family. The last time I checked with my butcher, I didn't really buy my meat any place, you know. It was it $800 or $900, and that was like about 3 months ago. So I know over the Christmas season in, you know, it's gonna be up. Them are gonna hike up the price. So to be honest, my family is not an oxtail eating. We're not an oxtail eating family, you know. But I've got to do it. Me eat it, you know, but my kids, they're not really keen on it, and my husband. So if it's even a 3 pound, I can't cook a little bit of oxtail in the kitchen, you have to cook enough. So don't worry yourself about that. That is coming like any minute now. Make sure your notification turn on. Notification problems are happening. Make sure you check on the channel if you don't get notified for something. So what they be put up, yeah, that's how you do it, you know. So the oxtails and the ham is a me don't know where I go get the ham from, you know. If I trust one. What do you think about that? I look here. Aye. We can't get to trust it, but it can get bad and now things kind of sticky. But we'll see about that. So we'll be coming with the ham and with the oxtails. Those two are highly requested. I did say before, I am so sorry I won't have a turkey recipe because My family is not a turkey eating. Yeah, turkeys are in Jamaica pricey too. But if me buy a turkey and to do it, I'll just be throwing it out. I'm not a turkey person. I mean, I just have to just carve it up and use it for sandwiches and stuff like that. But we'll see about that. We'll see about that. I did say I won't be doing one, but make we see how that I go now. Let's see how all that is gonna go. If it can work, if it not work for Thanksgiving, it don't make no sense again. We're not a turkey eating family. But let's see about that. But I know for sure the oxtails and the they are coming. So there are enough Jamaican dishes if you are directly trying to make your Christmas or your Thanksgiving dinner table a Jamaican one. I've got enough videos on the channel that you can have, and they are totally in depth. You can't go wrong. Another thing I want to share with you, if you are doing a dish that you see I've done for the very first time and you see me, you've never done it before, but you see me do it and you like to do it, try to get ahead of your Thanksgiving dinner and your Christmas dinner table and try to see if you can do it on your own to see how it turns out. That makes sense. You don't want to wait until that day dinner, you know, when you're hosting your Thanksgiving and your Christmas dinner and you do it and it don't work out. You understand? Because some things work for some people the first time and some things don't work for us the same time. We're all human beings in our own different way, and everybody gets it the same time. I'm gonna leave my Instagram again. Hello, every single video my Instagram name is there for you to follow. Somewhere on the page. So if you are having any problems, whatever, just give me a little DM on Instagram, let me find out what going on. And somebody said, they sent me food and said, Debbie, you know, so I'm do this, I'm do that. People are doing that. Where did you think I go wrong? And I always help. So if you are going with a little thing and a little thing now going good, you just send me a plus or just send something on Instagram, man. Send me some of your food that you have been doing. I'm waiting for pictures. I'm so waiting for them. Try to remember me when you do the Jamaican dishes, the man. Click a little picture. Send on a little thing for me. So you know some Instagram name I'm going to all over that place. I can't need to see some pictures. I want to burn up my Instagram page with some Jamaican food. I think I've done enough now for to start sending me some pictures. That is the only thing I'm disappointed in. I'm not getting enough pictures. Somebody did the Barbie fried chicken and it was lovely. It was beautiful. Who do the Barbie fried fish yet? I haven't gotten any pictures. I have not gotten any pictures. And if you are on the Jamaican cooking journey, you would have realized that the last 9 videos in a row, them all are something forgot to either your Thanksgiving dinner table or your Christmas dinner table. Juice and all of that. Sorrel, and we have the Irish potato punch. What I'm working on is to do some breakfast, like Jamaican breakfast. We will be, I'll be putting a few breakfast, like quick breakfast, Jamaican quick breakfast dishes where you can add to your, especially your Christmas or your Thanksgiving breakfast. The Christmas breakfast table or your Thanksgiving. Those are what will be coming up next. Okay? And I was just gonna say something. I don't remember. Okay. Last year we were really young, yes, and we did a meal planning for Christmas, a Jamaican Christmas dinner meal planning thing. Yes, we're going to be doing that this year, but we are going to do the actual thing. We're not going to come here, come chat, so we are going to cook the same thing, them, and we are going to be cooking them. And we are going to be laying. That is coming for you. That's a special coming for you, all my family members. We are going to be doing some Jamaican dishes. We are going to cook them. Yep, we're not going to chat about them. And we're going to put them, some of them may be done already. So we're going to make an array of Jamaican dishes that you can use for your Christmas breakfast table and for your dinner. And also, we're going to be looking people to put, like to show you what and what you can put together. As you don't know, say boy, from your oxtail, you have to have rice and peas, okay? You know curry mutton, white rice after that. So we want to show you how to mix and how we as Jamaicans eat, what we mix and what we match, what we put with, or with type of protein, type of the meat kind, where we eat with gungo peas and all of them something. So we are going to go in depth. We are coming with those. We are definitely working on them. We are coming with them. So we are going to give you a whole full package. All you understand who want to know, Miss Debbie, what me fi eat with what to serve with what. We are working on it. We will deliver on time. We might not deliver everything on time for Thanksgiving, but we will deliver everything on time for Christmas. I don't even know when it's Thanksgiving. Could you please comment for me, family? We're not sure when it's Thanksgiving. So just checking in to let you know. And hello, have you bought your fruits as yet? If you buy your fruits and have them as soak, you're good to go. You can start bake all next week and everything good, you know. Bake, wet your cake them, you don't have to put them in a no refrigerator. Okay, I've showed you all of that how you're supposed to do it. If you're a late bloomer with the cake and all of them something there, the video is there for you. And how, if you just come in 2 days or 1 day before Christmas, how you can stew your fruits them and get them juicy, nice and succulent. We are going to leave the link of how to get your fruits ready if you are late in the description of this video. So I'm just check in pound if you know if you're not alright. What kind of problems are you having? Are you having problems in preparing meals, in making like a whole array? If you're having problems, Instagram me. Ask me, Debbie, where you think me should. I'm there. I'll do it. I'm here for you. We are a family. That's how I roll. Okay? So if you not make up your mind yet where you gonna put, how you gonna serve, remember say you invite the top people them and big audacious people them to come, you know. You want your thing to look good and you want stand out nice, you know. So if you're having problems and you know make up your mind as yet, if you're thinking about a dish and you don't know how it go, as long as it's something mostly in the Jamaican region, we can go outside of Jamaica too. But remember, say me a Jamaican, I don't know nothing about the Spanish thing them and the French, you know, so I don't know but I go too hard with me. I'll help, I'll just advise you if I can on what you want to do. So if you, because sometimes you know, so when it comes to time of era, your head get mixed up, you know, your head get messed up. You know, you want to make this whole thing, make a plan, make a meal plan for what you want to do. Don't have yourself been scattered all over the place and you do a little this and you copy, you end up having pure chicken and turkey. Make a plan, because if you don't make a plan, you will be confused. Okay? So just like a kitchen pet talk, you know, we do all of that right on over here. Make sure you have everything locked and make